Yet when it comes to low-paid workers, Taoiseach, in our health services and in our defence forces, you get on your high horse, you adopt a dismissive tone and you attack the opposition for daring to even raise the issues.
Today the Dáil again raised the issue of the strike that's about to take place tomorrow in our health services by healthcare workers, by lab and theatre operatives and chefs. These are the cogs in the wheels of our health service, and they've been in a process now for over 4 years, and government has resisted fulfilling its side of the agreement. I put it to the Taoiseach that he is very dismissive of low-paid workers. Whenever we raise, for example, the situation in relation to the defence forces or indeed the health service workers, he gets on his high horse, he lectures and he adopts a dismissive tone about their cause and about their situation. But it's very clear, if you look at all of the documentation in this case, that this is a strike that should be avoided. And one gets the sense that the government doesn't appreciate the level of disruption that this will cause, the degree to which patients will be discommoded, all because the government has retained a detached and dismissive attitude to the issues involved. I'm calling on the government to get involved, to remove any preconditions in terms of the referral of this issue to the Labour Court and to fulfil its obligations under earlier agreements.